Welcome to a masterpiece of glamour and legacy. Perched on a sprawling estate, this fully renovated mega mansion was custom built for best-selling author Jackie Collins. Today, we step into a home where story and style merge in every corner. Facade blends modern elegance with classic Hollywood charm, towering stone columns, arched windows, and a sweeping driveway that leads to a grand pivot front door. It's a red carpet welcome perfect for a literary legend docked through the front doors. A soaring foyer welcomes you. 10-foot ceilings, statement chandeliers, and custom mosaic flooring set the tone. The hallway flows into a gallery-style living. Room wall-to-wall bookshelves filled with first editions and personal artifacts, a nod to Jackie's literary empire. Step into the living area. Plush velvet sofas, creamy marble, and floor-to-ceiling windows that cascade light across each. Vignette. Then glide into the intimate library wood-paneled walls, a rolling ladder, and leather-bound volumes, the author's personal sanctuary. The kitchen is pure sophistication. Calacatta marble countertops, Volf Sub-Zero appliances, and a waterfall. Island ideal for entertaining. A formal dining room, seating 12, features custom lighting and built-in display cases showcasing rare memorabilia from Jackie's career. Elevated to the owner's retreat, a lavish master suite with panoramic garden views, a private lounge, dual walk-in closets, plus a spa-style bathroom with soaking tub, steam shower, and gold-accented fixtures, luxury fit for literary royalty. Descend to the lower level, a home cinema with tiered seating, a wine lounge with temperature-controlled vaults, and a fitness studio with mirrored walls. Step outside to lush gardens, an infinity pool, and a covered terrace ideal for al fresco soirees or quiet reflection. This isn't just a house, it's a living legacy, honoring Jackie Collins' life and work. Would this be your dream home? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more celebrity estate